I tell you, when you move into a house that's 25 years old and you start messing around with landscaping and lighting and all that kind of stuff, you really got to pay attention. And remember, there was 3 wires in here, where the 3rd wire is this one right here, and it's not even hooked up. I had noticed that there was one wire over here that wasn't hooked up, and it was kind of dug under the ground. I kind of pulled on a little bit, found out one of those goes up to nothing. So I don't even know if that one's hooked up or not on the other side of the driveway. I'm thinking it's not. I can check that some other time, and I know I'm going to be doing some other stuff in here, and worst case, I was thinking, I'm going to have to figure that out before I put this pipe back in and stuff. Worst case scenario, if I find out there's no power to that, instead of tapping in on the landscape lights right here, I can do that from right in here. And see, here's the wire nuts. And usually when you tie in something underneath ground, you put a wire nut on it and then some electrical tape, and that's what they've done. And nowadays they have weatherproof wire nuts that has this little goodie on the outside of it. You still put I think you still put electrical tape around it. As far as I know, that's still okay. I'll probably have to bring that up above the dirt, let's say, up in here, before I backfill the rocks and stuff. Put that in the rocks so it doesn't get down in the dirt and get moisture on it and all that, or get it pushed down underneath the pipe or anything like that. So I'll have to keep my eye on that. And later on, if we do want to put lighting on this side, I could tap in right there, run another wire up through here, and then zipsy doodle it to wherever I want. Up here, I could put one there, kind of shine a light up on this tree here. I could take another one and shine it up in there or something. We'll see. Put another one up in there, shine it up that way if I wanted to. All kinds of stuff you can do when you get to this point, okay? So remember that when you're digging and stuff, if you come across stuff like this, think about it. Now's your chance to do something new. Yeah, so when I backfill this area and get it level and ready to reinstall this pipe in here, right in here is where I want to put that nice landscaped bush, something like that, a fire bush maybe, or something. And so when I throw all this stuff down there, I'll just throw loose stuff in there, so later on it'll be nice and easy to dig out. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And hey, the more you watch, the more you learn.